We as a company are very focused on customer service. We've been built on that, and we're also built on transparency, and if we promise something to our customers, we deliver it every single time. If a customer has been promised a vehicle, that customer will not be let down. What they will do, they'll give us a call and explain their requirements, what vehicle they require, is there any specification, i.e. colour, that they require as well, and what are the dates that they need the vehicle for. We will then give them a quotation over the phone, but we'll also follow that up with an email so they have everything in writing. When they're then ready to proceed, they can then contact us directly, either responding on the email. We will then ensure that they have a confirmation sent out. We then internally put the bookings in our diary. So the client at that point can be assured that their vehicle is being booked in and it's readily available. At that point, we also send out relevant requests for documentation, payment links, so that when the customer either takes delivery of the vehicle or comes and collects, all of that is done in advance so that this process of pickup is seamless. The customer will then come and either collect the vehicle or have the vehicle delivered to them according to what they want. We will again make that process absolutely seamless. We get them to sign paperwork on our iPads, which then gets forwarded out to the customer so that they have a record of all documentation alongside all the relevant documentation of licensing and also condition of the vehicle, relevant MOTs, so that the customer has all of that documentation on person in case any relevant authorities need proof.
It's really easy to deal with LCH. There's a very friendly professional team on the end of the phone line. Whenever you need them, their opening hours are very convenient for our industry. If you have an emergency, something over the weekend, you can make a phone call and somebody will be there to help you and get a car at very short notice. And the delivery service is fantastic. They'll get the car to and from wherever you are.
So we understand the nature of what the clients require. We also understand how clients' plans can change. So we flex with our customer base and we work with them to ensure they can deliver the best possible service to their client base whilst ensuring that they can still make a very good living out of what they do.